Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Insta360 Go 3. This is the Insta360 Go 3. It's a really nice and amazing compact camera. This kind of camera is just for enthusiasts like sports people, vloggers, and normal people who would like just to have camera throughout them. This is such an amazing, incredible camera because you can even detach it and have it separately throughout its pod, which is something which is so amazing. Now, what are the main features throughout this kind of camera, or what are the things which you can just produce throughout this kind of camera? Well, this kind of camera you can just get creative and do bunch of stuff, because this kind of camera, it's a magnetic. It's a small, looks like a finger, but it's really having magnetic field, which you can just keep it to any magnetic substances like metals and all of that, which can just stay throughout this magnetic, and you can just have some amazing shot, and you can just get creative throughout the screen or the settings throughout this kind of Insta360 Go 3, and it's really incredible. And another kind of stuff which to be honest, since I have this, I enjoyed it, is the flip screen. As you can see guys, it has a flip screen, so you can just flip the screen and start using it throughout your vlogging experience, which is something which is so amazing, because I had a Pocket 2 and it was really cool, but I decided to sell it out because I wanted something a little bit different, because Pocket 2 was really cool. I used it for almost 3 years, and to be honest, it's really amazing. But today we're having the Insta360 Go 3. It's a really worth it for performance and all of that. So this is just my review and explanation on how usage. So I've been using it throughout my bicycle. I've mounted it on my bike. I enjoyed it each moment, and I've just got creative to get some different shots when I'm in town. And yeah, let me just roll over so as you guys can enjoy this amazing video I have done throughout the Insta360 Go 3. So as we can jump in on specs, and we jump on another overview to understand it much better. So guys, actually right now outside the clock tower, just wanted to come and take this shot. It's a little bit noisy out here, but it seems to be really great, because I'm just cycling a small mashup, and I decided just to get this time lapse, and it's really amazing. And basically I'm shooting this video on 2.7K throughout the resolution side and 30 frame rates per second, which is really crazy for this camera, by the way. So I just kept it here, and nobody actually thought that this is a camera. This is insane, right? So yeah. The Insta360 Go 3 specification. Well, it has a resolution of 2.7K video recording, which is really incredible, which can go up to 30 frame rates per second. It has a 1440p at 50 fps and 1080p at 120 fps for slow motion. It has a field of view of ultra wide lens with a 120 degrees field of view. Stabilization, it has a flow state stabilization for smooth footage. On the photo mode, it captures 2560 x 1440 16:9 and 2560 x 2560 1:1 images, which is really good for social media. On the battery life, it lasts for up to 45 minutes standalone, up to 170 minutes with the action pod, which is quite not bad throughout this kind of Insta360 Go 3. On the weight side, it has 35 grams on the camera and the 96 grams with the action pod, which makes it so lighter you can even carry it on your pocket, and you can just keep it on your bag and even forget if it was existing. Another kind of stuff, it has a waterproof, which is IPX8 waterproof up to 5 meters without the action pod. Just beware, don't toss in your action pod because it's not water resistant. On the storage capability, it has 32 GB of storage with a 64 GB of storage or 128 GB of storage internal storage. So no memory card on here, it's just that you have to buy throughout having the internal storage, which is is quite impressive. But it all depends with the capability of your storage size you want. If you want to go with the bigger storage, just go with 128. It has a voice control which supports voice commands for hands-free option, like let's say you want to command it to sleep or to turn on or to capture or to do photo and video. It does, which is really impressive. On the mounting side, it has a magnetic and wearable with a range of accessories for flexibility of mounting. Well, it's really nice camera, to be honest, and especially it's designed for vloggers and adventures and anyone looking forward for a lightweight portable camera that can capture high quality footage on the go, which makes the Insta360 a really good and amazing, incredible camera standing out there. So yeah guys, that's it about the Insta360 Go 3. It's a really nice and amazing, incredible compact camera. It doesn't pack with the biggest sensor like 1.2-inch sensor. Its sensor is just incredible enough to produce your content, and you can get creative through the manual settings and adjust some few settings out there so you can get the best incredible shots out of it. And another kind of stuff, this kind of camera is just on the go because it's just easy to keep it anywhere and get some amazing, incredible shots, which it's really standing out. So the Insta360 Go 3 is such an incredible. I understand this kind of camera came out almost a year, and it's really amazing. I wanted it so many times ever since I saw that promotion ad which Insta360 shared on IG and their other kind of platforms. I think it was really cool, and I wanted it so badly. I was like, damn, I need this kind of camera. I understand they released the other past models like the Insta360 Go, the Insta360 Go 2, and the Insta360 Go 3, and there's another one which is the Insta360 Go 3S, which the difference between the Go 3 and the Go 3S is just that the Go 3S has 4K, this one has 2K, which it's quite not bad, but this one is packed with much better juice on sustaining on the battery capability. So we are hoping on the coming year Insta gonna release perhaps the Insta360 Go 4, and I'm expecting it may be having a larger sensor. Who knows, you know, if they're gonna slap it like, you know, the Pocket 2, the Pocket 3 has a bigger sensor right now, which might be having the same vibes with the Insta360 Go 4. We're not sure yet because we don't have any updates recently for any upgrade coming throughout the Insta lineup of the Go series, so I believe might be having a bigger sensor on it. So far so good. It's amazing camera to be having it, to get creative and get your shots, and it's really dope. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna be grabbing the Insta360 Go 3, such an incredible camera to be having. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, catch you guys on the next one, and peace.